The Tineke Rubber Plant is a stunning and low-maintenance house plant loved by beginner plant parents, indoor gardeners, and plant collectors alike. The Tineke Rubber Plant is a cultivar of Ficus elastica, a tropical tree native to Southeast Asia, particularly India and Indonesia. In its natural habitat, it grows as a towering tree, reaching up to 100 feet tall. As a houseplant, it's more manageable, typically growing to a height of 3 to 6 feet indoors. In these environments, it grows as a canopy tree, often producing area roots that help support its massive structure. Understanding its native habitat is key to replicating ideal conditions for your Tineke rubber plant at home. The plant flowers, but is mainly grown for its foliage. The flowers are small and inconspicuous and are rarely seen on indoor plants. It is toxic to humans and pets. It contains a milky latex sap that can cause skin irritation, rashes, and blistering. To maintain the vibrant variegation of the plant, provide bright indirect light. Place it near an east or west facing window where it can receive plenty of natural light without exposure to direct sunlight, which can scorch the delicate leaves. Low light conditions may cause variegation to fade, so avoid placing it in dim corners. The Tineke rubber plant prefers consistent but moderate watering. Allow the top 1 to 2 inches of soil to dry out before watering again. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure the pot has proper drainage. During the growing season, you may need to water more frequently, while in the cooler months, reduce the watering schedule. As a tropical plant, the Tineke rubber plant thrives in humidity levels between 40 to 60%. If your home is dry, especially during winter, consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray with water. It prefers temperatures between 15 to 24 degrees and should be kept away from cold drafts or heating vents, which can stress the plant. Use a well-draining potting mix to keep your plant healthy. A mix designed for house plants or a combination of potting soil and perlite works well. Repot your plant every 2 to 3 years, or when it becomes root-bound, choose a pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Feed your plant with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. The frequency depends on the product you're using. Reduce feeding in fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to salt buildup in the soil and damage the roots. Prune your Tineke rubber plant to maintain its shape and encourage bushier growth. Trim leggy stems and remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. Use clean, sharp pruning shears to avoid spreading diseases. Brown leaf edges are often caused by low humidity or overwatering. Increase humidity and ensure consistent watering. Yellowing leaves are often a sign of overwatering or poor drainage, so let the soil dry out and check the pot for proper drainage. Watch out for spider mites, mealybugs, or scale insects. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil mix. Check the cash-pow and undersides of the leaves for these pesky pests. Common signs of pest activity include cotton wool-like appearance on stems and leaves, slimy and sticky residue, and yellow leaves. Also stippling, which are small light dots and holes on the leaves. The Tineke rubber plant is a versatile and forgiving house plant, making it ideal for beginner plant parents. Its variegated leaves add elegance to any space, and its easy care nature makes it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. With the right light, watering, and humidity, this stunning plant can thrive and become a focal point in your indoor garden. Check out my other videos on rubber plants and other varieties of rubber plants. The link is in the comment section below. And that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Keep an eye out for another video of the Little Plant Guide.